where should I put the sleeping bags, Mom?
Oh, those can go in the back, honey.
Okay.
You know, getting ready for a family vacation can be pretty hectic. Making sure you've got everything from snacks and drinks to Jimmy's iPod can be pretty overwhelming. So I put together a checklist of everything we'll need. And first on that list was making sure our minivan was in perfect shape for our long ride. I remember when I was a kid, my dad would take the family car in for a tune-up to be sure everything was operating safely and efficiently. So last week I paid a visit to our vehicle service professional. My check engine light had just come on, so I asked him to look things over and tune it up. You know, determine what's wrong with my van and make sure that it's in excellent condition for the trip. That's when my technician told me about the 21st century tune-up. He explained to me that my vehicle has complex electronic and mechanical systems, and maintaining it at peak performance takes a whole lot more than just parts. It takes an ASE certified technician like him with a support system of high-tech equipment and an engine management supplier that's the best in the business. That's the organization that provides the top quality parts my technician needs to keep my minivan, and almost any vehicle on the road, in good working order. Even if the check engine light wasn't on, I still wanted to have the confidence that our vehicle was ready for this long trip. That's why we had our technician perform the 21st century tune-up inspection. The 21st century tune-up is a checkup which ensures that all my vehicle's complex and interrelated systems are running efficiently and safely. It starts with a checklist of items the technician goes through to identify any potential problem areas. These include ignition, fuel systems, powertrain control, electrical, mechanical, and emission systems. Our service professional also explained that vehicle manufacturers often have to correct issues that may arise with their software by updating their computers. As part of the 21st century tune-up, he checked to see if our vehicle's computer needed updating, just like the programs we use on our PC. For the vehicle's computers, this update is called flashing. Flashing calibrates the vehicle's computers to help address glitches in the original programming. Flashing can correct problems like rough idle and difficulty starting. That's why checking for flash updates is a critical feature for the 21st century tune-up. The 21st century tune-up also indicates if anything else needs attention. Then the technician consults with me to decide what work will be performed. Well, as it turned out, all we needed was an oxygen sensor and a flash update. We had the minivan back the same day with the comfort of knowing that our vehicle's engine management systems have been checked before we head out on the road. So the next time you think tune-up, make sure it's a 21st century tune-up. It could save you some trouble down the road.
All set, Mom.
All right, let's go.